Okay, now the pan is off.
Just a minute or two and I take it off.
Okay.
That's all.
And then we pour it into here.
Right in there.
Mix
Pour
it
right
up.
in.
And then add the meat and just simmer it.
Okay.
That's it.
Well, gotta show it.
You got everything?
You want to show all
Yeah.
this going on?
Just until you start.
You can throw it in here now.
You want to? Okay.
Want to put it on this burner? Show?
I thought I'd put it
It's a
on
bit
here. It'll
burner.
be easier. And no, I'll cook it on that burner.
Oh, okay. Here, clean it up. Can you get it?
Yeah.
It just slides right into it.
Is the water in there or is it all off?
It's all off.
Okay, good.
See?
Okay, now get some water and throw it into anyhow.
Okay.
Because I think it's a little too thick.
Emergency.
You might as well put on this. This is a bigger one.
Yeah, Mom, don't you do it. Oh, you want me to get water, right?
Yeah. That's it.
Is that good?
I guess it's okay. I mean, I don't know about this. I don't know without salt, so you taste it and see.
Well, I usually taste it after all the meat and everything's been in it.
Okay, all right.
Because, you know, there's salt in the
Put the meat
cheese
in
and the meatballs and...
Put everything in it.
Okay.
Put the meatballs in first.
Okay.
We have this. Okay.
Ow.
Fast.
Meatballs are in.
I know.
Chicken's in.
Not yet.
Getting there.
Here, Brad, get this one as it goes down.
Yeah, okay.
Here comes the pork.
Throw everything in. That's it. Oh, boy, look at that pan, huh?
Look at that. It's a full pot. All that's needed is some little tender loving care for stirs.
Ooh.
And it'll be ready for consumption before too long.
A couple hours.
A couple hours. Girls,
Got a dish or something.
let me get your picture.
No. Thank
He
you.
and Lucille together.
Yeah,
That's right. We both did.
mother and daughter together.
Okay, that's enough. Thank
That's
you.
a lot of Italian cooking there.